Hello everyone, this is going to be a short video today. I think I'm probably not the only person that's had this problem. You have some cordless tools, they work great for a while, and then all of a sudden one day you go to charge the batteries, stick it in the charger, and nothing happens. The batteries won't charge, they're completely dead. You go out to shop for some new batteries, and lo and behold, buying one replacement battery for one of these tools is about the same price as buying a whole new drill and with higher voltage batteries and everything else. So when this happened to me, what I decided to do is go ahead and bite the bullet and get a decent drill driver. It's the brushless compact atomic series. Came with two 20-volt batteries. And so that takes care of this old 18-volt tool, which is much bigger and heavier. But then what do I do if I still need to use an impact driver? I really don't want to go out and buy an impact driver since I already have one that's perfectly good, that's 18 volt. I found this little adapter on Amazon. It's under 15 bucks, and what it does is it plugs into an 18 volt tool. You just click the tabs there and it locks into place, and now you can take and put any 20 volt battery that you have in there. I doubt I can do this with one hand. Maybe I can. All right, there we go. So it clicks right in, works perfectly. Someday it might go up in flames because it's a 20 volt battery versus an 18, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. There's some affiliate links below if you want to check some of these out. I think you can get one for under 15 and two for under 20 usually, and I'm sure they make them for other makes and models of drills and drivers. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks, and have a good rest of your day. So as I was adding the affiliate links below, I noticed that in the listing for this Cordless Tool Rack and battery storage, all the tools were stored like this in the photos for that product. I flipped all the tools over. It is way more sturdy and stable with the tools in this orientation because most of the weight is resting back up against the shelf instead of just pulling down on the wires. Even my pin nailer, I was able to get in there upside down. It looks like it's kind of in there at the end, but it's actually pretty securely held in there. I'm not worried about bumping it out. The other benefit to having them in there this way is if you have a large driver or something like that in there, you can leave it in as long as you're not going to poke your eye out with it or something when you walk by it on the rack. That is it. And so now you do not have to comment that I had all my tools stored upside down in the rack. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.